We really understood the importance of the community to the people that work here, and we wanted to get involved. So my team started to get some partnerships formed with ATU, which is a college next door to us here in the community, and said, what can we do here around STEM initiatives and giving something back? So we started planning our VEX robotics competition, and we started to coordinate it, and as word got out there, more people wanted to volunteer and get involved. And that was 2 years ago now. And now when I look at it, we're 22 plus and growing. And now our Purple team are coming to us with the events that they want, which is wonderful.
The word volunteerism, it doesn't come easy. Sometimes you're dragged into it, but there was very little dragging. The Purple team is this conduit for us, allowing people a time and space to go and give something back to the community that means something to them, because every individual has something to give, and to be able to bring that back to their facility, back to their employer, and to maybe get some support and share that. I think that's one of the things that Purple Team is really, really powerful at. There's a genuine want to do something and do something meaningful and powerful. We're fostering a culture of future leaders and people that put themselves forward for this.
I think our Purple teams are leadership principles in action. And we really do keep our communities, not just our customers, to the heart of all that we do. And that's what I'm most proud of.